Jerry DeLappe. I'm a staff member here at the Advanced Computing Laboratory at Los Alamos National Laboratory. I'm standing in the middle of the CM-5 supercomputer that was our most recent acquisition here at the Advanced Computing Lab. It didn't begin life as the big machine that you see here right now. It came in here on 3 semis, actually, and in a moment we're going to see the assembly of the machine in time-lapse photography.
Hello, I'm David Forsland, Deputy Director of the Advanced Computing Laboratory. I hope you've enjoyed the short film clip on showing the installation of our latest machine here in the Advanced Computing Laboratory, the CM-5, built by Thinking Machines Corporation in Cambridge, Massachusetts. This machine has over 1,000 processors and will have a peak speed later this year of over 100 gigaflops. Anytime you'd like to come up and visit us, we'd enjoy having you here and see our facilities.